Remote Optix not only captures LiDAR datasets of all sizes, but our team of professional processors is able to, so to say, see the forest for the trees, or in this case, remove vegetation from any scan to accurately see the underlying terrain. Digital terrain models can be used by earth-moving, construction, architecture, civil engineering, and other companies for site planning, volumetric calculations, flood modeling, infrastructure design, and other planning and engineering purposes. DTMs are a fundamental tool for various engineering design and construction planning applications involving terrain and topography. Their precision and 3D nature unlock insights not visible in traditional 2D maps. Reach out at remoteoptix.com for more information about our LiDAR scanning and processing services.